What I love about the Bondi Pavilion is the roof tile is the hero of this building. It's been reinvigorated and reintroduced. And it's not just the terracotta tile, it's the glazed roof tiles that add that colour and shine and spark and reflect off the beautiful colours on the beach, the ocean and the people there.
It's the quintessential beach building in Australia, and this project reinterprets and goes back to where it was, but obviously in a new format of a multicoloured roof, which is predominantly the coloration of the suburb of Bondi that it's in some of the older buildings in Bondi. It celebrates beach culture, it's fun.
It just lifts the building, it elevates it, restores it, but elevates it to something that is incredibly contextual, but also a historical kind of reinterpretation of the original pavilion.
An extraordinary and very cleverly done project that really just will give that building a whole new life and in some ways a whole new focus, which is fantastic.